Hi, in front of me is Nokia 5.4 and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage on this device. Start by opening settings and scrolling down. Now tap on storage. Over here you need to click on free up space and select files. Then click always. Over here click on confirm and free up under junk files. Then click clear. As you can see, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!